I just really know that there's so much difference to be made here. We have these goals in the city of Chicago. We have goals in America, right? It's not just infrastructure, but that sustainable, renewable energy component. And we're not going to get there unless we have the hands, we have the brains, we have the arms, we have the ability to actually do it. And this is one of the greatest ways that we can, is by empowering our community.
Well, I'm here to be a better me, to have a career, not just like a job or a degree or something. So something that's going to be with me for forever. So this career will do that for me.
The IBEW and Local 134 set the standard for electrical work, and this is what we do best. This is what we've been training on for a really long time. We have instructors that understand electrical systems and how they're built, how they're safely built, how they're efficiently built.
81 individuals got here. It's our job as supporters, as IBEW brethren and sisters, to make sure that all 81 make it across the line.
Fighting to keep this program going, really working and networking to make new connections for our kids, because that's what it's all about, right? It's the next generation. Who's going to be in the union? Who's going to take on the infrastructure of America and really think about what community building looks like in a sustainable and renewable way?
We do everything here in Chicago very different than the rest of the country. We do it better than the rest of the country. From Local 134 to our contractors, we're the best out there.
So earlier in the week, we talked about material and handling and manual handling, in which they would work with pallets, pallet jacks, dollies, how to handle the equipment safely with wearing the proper PPE, and walking around and moving the stuff.
I want you to write 3 goals that you have in your life. Now these are big goals.
With the program, I really just want to learn, not in the aspect of, learning everything from solar to electricity. I want to learn it for just me, to just know how, to just the fun of it really. But within, for me, myself, I want to just own a house and be financially free and just live really.
The fact that our students are gaining so much from this, not only our students, but also our teachers.
The exercise today, we did a practice installation with solar modules made by Crossroads Solar in Indiana. In 2 short weeks, we took them from maybe never having touched this kind of equipment before to working with us and understanding the capabilities of it and get that system up to assembly and complete.
Don't be afraid to ask questions. Out there, the journeyman, the apprentices that have already lived what you've done, ask.
The companionship, you really feel it, everyone really is not annoyed from you asking questions or asking for help or anything like that. It's more, they're really trying to help you and help you succeed. So I like feeling like someone's trying to help and not trying to take advantage of you or something like that.
Every shirt that we put out that has Power in Chicago on it, that represents both the contractors and the union members, we're proud of that. There's a reason why everyone looks up to us as that standard. And I love to continue to show that we continue to pick the best and the brightest individuals to represent us.
This is one of the biggest classes, 81 graduates. It's phenomenal.
It's a beautiful thing to see today. We started very small, and today we're growing this program.
My son gets up early and he's focused on his achievements of life. Just him striving to be a better man and, soaking everything that he's been taught this week and just, actually become an apprentice and then become an actual electrician.
I'm excited. You guys should be excited. This is an exciting industry to be a part of. And wish you all luck.
The numbers are growing, one, because we have a renewable energy transition that's happening, and it really captures the hearts and minds of the younger generation. So the folks that are coming out of high school into our programs are really already very interested and knowledgeable on what the future is going to look like. And now this gives them an opportunity to put their hands on that equipment and put it together themselves and build that future.
In this room, that opportunity is there. But we have to be available for it.
Today I watched one of our kids, Roberto, walk up and walk across the stage, grab his envelope and his certificate, and you should have seen his eyes. He just lit up, his smile, his eyes, everything like that. It was fantastic.
I'm here to support my son because I'm always going to be there for him no matter what, and I'm very proud of and happy for him to get this far and see what the future holds for him.
If there's anything you need, reach out to the instructors, reach out to Mr. Hattier. We'll be glad to wrap our arms around you.
So who's ready for that?